If you're doing a written test for training new movers, a passing score, what should you set it at? Should it be 80%, 85, 90, 100%? Like what's too high, too low? What I have learned is that if you set it at 100%, well, here's the deal. People are going to miss a question or two, right? And so trying to expect somebody to get 100% is probably not great, right? Because then you're just going to be doing it over and over and over. But then going too low, like 80%, well, that's 4 out of 5 or 8 out of 10, right? And so is that the standard you want? Is that good enough? I really like being at a 90% passing rate, okay? So 9 out of 10 things they should know and get right. And they need to retake it until they get 90% passing. If they aren't there, then allow as many retakes as possible until it's retained and understood. So 90% pass rate is what I'd recommend if you're doing written tests for training new movers.